I just released a video on tips suggesting that now may be the best time to buy. Bloomberg just published an article the day after I released that video, highlighting the fact that the real interest rate on 30-year tips is approaching 2%, and it may even exceed 2%, but that will depend on the auction. This 2% is in addition to the inflation adjustment of the principal, so this represents a pretty good deal. Because of its long duration, the 30-year tips will significantly increase in price when interest rates drop. So, if you want, you can sell in the secondary market for a substantial capital gain. Or you can hold it for 30 years, earning a good real interest rate with complete protection against inflation. Check out my previous video on tips for complete details. The link is provided in the description. Bond prices with long duration are now near their lowest points, as you can see in this graph of the 10-year U.S. Treasury note. Keep in mind that yields vary inversely to bond prices, so high yields mean low bond prices. As you can see in this graph, real yields are higher than at any time in the past decade. You can buy tips at Treasury Direct or through your broker. You can put your order in at any time in Treasury Direct, and you can buy in multiples of $100. Most brokers require a $1,000 minimum. Brokers only provide the option to buy newly issued tips for the 1 week between the announcement date and the auction date, so you should mark your calendar to remind yourself of the upcoming dates if you wish to buy. The 30-year tips will be an excellent investment that will help to diversify your portfolio, especially now that the stock market is starting to decline from its recent highs. Typically, August and September are the worst months for the stock market, so there will probably be much volatility for the next 2 months. As a reminder, the 30-year tips that will be auctioned this month will have a coupon rate of 1.5%, but you may be able to buy it at a substantial discount, which would increase its yield to maturity. But the actual yield to maturity will depend on the auction. So here's a summary of the advantages of buying 30-year tips. No credit default risk, exemption from state and local taxes, and interest and principal steadily increase. You can profit from decreasing interest rates from the flight to quality during economic turmoil. And you have the potential to earn substantial capital gains, possibly even doubling your money within a short time. Or hold to lock in a decent interest rate and protection against inflation for 30 years. Thank you very much for your time. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I would appreciate any suggestions, so please leave them in the comments below.